welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And today I have a beautiful glitter halo look that I came up with. I was trying some new things with some NYX glitters. Yes. And I got a glitter halo. So if you like what you see, I'm gonna need you to do one thing and one thing only before we get into that video. I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Hit it again. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss out, okay? Yeah. On to the video. That way. Okay, starting with already done brows, I'm going into my Juvia's Place Magic Palette and I'm grabbing Crease. And what I'm doing here is I am creating a white base for my eyeshadow color. So I'm going in and I'm going over my brow bone, my mobile lid, all with a fluffy white brush. Using Crease, this is my new normal. And I'm grabbing my next transition color, which is the Kaya, which is one of my favorite colors in the Magic Palette. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a warm orange. And I'm going to go ahead sweeping that over both brow bones and basically the whole eyelid. So that's what I'm doing there. Then after that, I am going to grab my Morphe 3502 palette and I'm going to grab that brown shade. And I'm going to grab my Morphe brush, the 441 brush, and I'm going to sweep that brown over my lid, basically creating like a C shape, darkening it, adding more to create a deeper, darker look. And then I'm grabbing with the same brush that black color out of my Hard Candy palette, basically to give it more depth. See, I'm concentrating on the corners, basically making it nice and deep. Then I am going into my Magic palette and grabbing Zakaya again to basically clean up the edges. Then I am going to cut my crease, and this is a new technique I've discovered using my makeup remover wipes. I am going to clean that off as much as I can so that when I do add my concealer, it's not mixing in with any other colors. Now grabbing my concealer brush, I'm going in with my concealer and I'm going to draw in my cut crease into that negative space that I just created with the makeup remover. And I'm basically taking my time with this, getting that filled in as good as I can. As you can see, it's a clear cut crease there. And I'm going to do it on both sides. Basically just working my way in, taking my time and filling that mobile lid in with that concealer. And you can use any concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And then I am setting it with Casey from the Magic Palette. So that's what you see me doing there. I'm setting it so that it's no longer sticky. Moving on to the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm grabbing that brown and I'm basically defining the last bit of my cut crease around where the concealer is. So I'm defining that with an angled brush. Then I am grabbing this white colored pencil and trying to basically whiten it so that I can go in with another colored pencil, but it didn't work. So I'm cleaning that off right now. And basically I'm creating a negative space so that this green, lime green colored pencil will show up on my skin. It did not work with a base, so I needed to clear that space. Now these lime green, these color pencils, period, I got from the beauty supply store for $1. They don't have a particular name or a brand. Anyone will do. Just pick your favorite colors and go. So I'm starting with the lime green and Now it did, now you can't really tell on camera, but it did crease a little bit. So moving on to another colored pencil, I'm using this bright blue. And as you can see, I am taking my time not to draw outside of the lines where that cut crease meets the rest of my eye. So I'm taking my time with that, make sure I go over it, making sure that it looks good. And then I'll be moving on to a third color, which is a teal. And I'm taking my time and I'm filling that in also. Now once that's filled in on both eyes, now as you see, I'm basically winging that out. Did my best, you know, I did my best. Then I am grabbing this chartreuse shade it's called Nubia in the Magic Palette, and I am going over my lime green, and it basically just made that lime green pop. So I was very excited. That's what all the dancing is for, because you know you gotta celebrate the little things. And then I went into my Nubia 2 palette and I grabbed that blue Cleopatra color, which is absolutely beautiful. It has a shimmer connected to it. It's awesome. And you know, I like butter. And then I went in with the color Yara on top of that teal green. And Yara is from the Magic palette. So I basically gave all those colors like a shimmery color boost with the Magic palette. It's so pretty. I love these. When I tell you, they're easy to work with. They're very blendable. They're like butter. Juvia's Place knows what they're doing. I can't say it enough. So then I go ahead and I clean up my fallout with makeup wipe remover. And then I grab the Morphe 3502 palette again, basically redefining that cut crease, making sure that it is clean. So that's what you see me doing there. I'm doing it on both sides of my face. But yeah, back to my Juvia's Place palettes. Those are bomb. So as you can see, I am grabbing my glitter adhesive from NYX, and I am using the blue glitter, and it's Glee color 11, which is like a bluish purple. It's very pretty for the NYX Glitter Brilliance. And I'm using my finger to apply the glue, and I'm tapping it on. I'm not smearing it because you don't want to take off your eyeshadow base. And then I'm going in with a flat concealer brush, and I am applying my glitter in the halo effect, which is so pretty. Now I could have fanned this out a little more instead of making it more up and down, but I was a little nervous about the colors not blending right. But I think the next time I try this look, I'm gonna fan it out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. All right, so moving on from there, I am grabbing, what am I grabbing here? I'm grabbing my liquid liner, which I made an attempt. It took a lot of praying, but I did that off camera because that was a struggle and a half, and it took me probably 16 minutes just to do my liner. Not good at that. But I also went in and lined my under eye with that blue eyebrow pencil. And then I grabbed Kisi and I highlighted no, actually that's not Kisi. That is Zuri from the Nubian 2 palette. And I did my brow bones, and I did my inner eye duct, my tear duct area. I highlighted that with Zuri, which I really liked. I like I said, I'm singing the Juvia's Place palette praises. And then I went in with my mascara. Any mascara will do. Now, mind you, I did not put my lashes on right away. I went ahead and did my face. So I am using the Black Opal primer. It's a tinted primer. I don't like the tint very much, but you know, I like what it does for my skin. So boom, that's it. Then I go in with my trusty Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the color 356 Warm Coconut. And I am doing my regular face routine. I am adding my concealer, which is the Age Veryne Caramel. And then I am going to go over that with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. And then I blend that out. Then I go ahead with my black oval finishing powder to highlight. And then I also use this HD banana powder on top of that, just to kind of brighten it up a little more, because this is a more dramatic look. And then what else do? I go ahead and I contour, just basically run down my basic foundation routine. Now here I've grabbed my baked highlighter called Soda Pop, and it's from Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. I really like this. It's like a coppery tan color. Not tan, far from tan. It's like a coppery color. I absolutely love it. So I'm using that as my highlight. And then I am throwing these lashes on. Now let me tell you about these lashes. It is the Kiss lingerie line in the style Teddy. And when I tell you, they are super lit, super duper lit. Oh yeah, did y'all notice that I am putting my lashes on camera? Oh my goodness. She's actually showing us how she puts her lashes on. My bad, I was too excited. But yeah, I really like these lashes. They are bomb. But if you're like an eyeglass wearer, you might not want to wear these because these are super long. But yeah, I go in and I line my lips with my regular brown lip liner. And then I used the Maybelline matte lipstick in the color The Protector. And then I went over that with Milani. And I don't know where that Milani lipstick went. Oh, here it is. I went over it with the Milani Matte Innocence. So yep, that's my final look. And that's how I got this beautiful halo eye with extra glitter. And if you like it, I'm gonna need you to tell your friends. Share this video, like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you do recreate this look, I'll need you to go on to Instagram and tag me, okay? Tag your girl. My username is TheRealDinaSmith, and I follow you, you follow me. Teamwork, make a dream work. We all living. Right. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. Hit it. What y'all think? You like this?